Okay, today we're here at McDonald's to try their new Kit Kat McFlurry, which looks like this. That's starting to melt. And it's probably just a vanilla uh, soft serve with the crushed up Kit Kat all whizzed up in there. And this is I think this is the only size they have. And it is $4.99, I think. Yeah, $49.99. 540 calories for this. Yeah, the Kit Kats give it a nice chocolate taste, a little bit of crunch. Pretty good. Not as good as like a peanut butter or a Reese's peanut butter, but good nonetheless. So yeah, if you want to try this, I think it just recently came out, so but it will be probably limited time. So, but they do, I think, keep it for because they still have the grandma McFlurry. So that was the last one they had. That one's a good one too if you like butterscotch. Yeah, if you like Kit Kat, try this one out. So let's see. I'm gonna give it an A. Like everything. So anyways, please remember to like, comment, subscribe, and click on the notification bell and click on all so you get notified every time I upload a new video. So I'm gonna take another bite and I'll see you in the next one.